and then Offspring 3 will be stronger than Offspring 2. And each time you create these new CBO campaigns, you're just getting the best of the best of the best, and you end up with just really highly profitable ad sets that you could scale the budget of the CBO campaign to like $5,000 a day. Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll be showing you guys how to go ahead and scale a CBO campaign and create more profitable CBO offsprings. Before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or giveaways. The winners here. All you have to do to qualify is drop an awesome comment below, tag your Instagram, make sure you're following me, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Watch to the very end if you want to learn my complete CBO scaling strategy, and I'll be revealing some tips and tricks at the very end. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Alright, as you can see, we're into my campaign. It's currently Thursday, which means in the States, it's roughly around Wednesday since I'm in Australia. And what you want to do is you want to create campaigns Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and leave Saturday and Sunday for scaling, and then Monday and Tuesday just for killing ad sets, launching nothing. That's sort of the formula I use, and it's been working pretty well. But as you can see, we have this CBO campaign which I spent 2,931 Australian dollars, and we got a ROAS of 1.39, so it is a bit profitable, but it definitely can have a lot of improvements. But let's break everything down first. So I have this campaign here which I spent 12,300. That's my testing campaign where I'm constantly creating new ad sets, trying new lookalike audiences, trying new interest targeting, and I bring all the best ad sets in from here and put it into this one main CBO campaign. And as you can see, within this CBO campaign I have a mix of interest targeting as well as lookalike audiences for page view lookalike audiences, initiate checkout lookalike audiences, a bit of everything. But as you can see, there's obviously some ad sets that are really profitable and some that are really unprofitable. So what you want to do is you want to then go ahead and duplicate all the profitable ad sets into a new CBO campaign, replace the unprofitable ad sets from this current CBO campaign with ad sets that you are currently testing every day, and the ones that get more than 3 sales at a positive ROAS, you want to drop it into this new offspring. You're basically using like evolution to create better and better and better CBO campaigns. So let's start by sorting by ROAS. Now I'm going to select anything more than 1.4, which should be all this, and I will duplicate it. So I'm going to go ahead and select anything that has more than 1.4 ROAS. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it. New campaign 023 dot duplicate. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this name. It's going to be 023 product name, top ad set CBO campaign off spring 2. Save draft. And since I only picked 70% of that CBO, I want to go ahead and refill it with better interests. So I'm going to go to my testing campaign, and as you can see, I have a bunch of interests, lookalike audiences, everything, and this is anything that's turned on. I'm going to sort by amount spent actually, and anything that's under roughly 300 is sort of new. So for example, I want to see if I have these two interests already. So as you can see, this is the old CBO campaign, and if I sort by amount spent, 95% lookalike audience, 1%. Yep, it's here, so I don't want to duplicate that. I already have it. Initiate checkout 45%. Yep, already here, so no need to duplicate that. Interest wearable technology 1.38. I think I might duplicate it into a CBO campaign because I think it has technology. I think it has potential. Let's see. Nope, wearable technology is not in here. So wearable technology is the ones that I'm going to duplicate. Michael Jordan, I already have it into the CBO. Next, and you only want to do anything that has more than 3 purchases. German, initiate checkout in here. Nope. UK, these 3 are pretty good. Anything that says top countries, nope. So I'm going to duplicate this. This one purchase at $86. That's pretty expensive despite being positive ROAS. You want to have at least 3 sales for it to be proven. So I'm not going to duplicate that. This is another one. I'm going to duplicate top ROAS country. Let's see if I have any of that looking ad sets. I do not. So we can duplicate this. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to view and edit. And I'm going to mark these as tested in CBO. So I'm going to write tested, duplicated into CBO. So now I know I won't have to duplicate these in the future. Now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate them into an existing campaign 023 product top ad set CBO campaign Offspring 2. Duplicate all these 6 into it. So not only did I get the top 6 performing ad sets from the previous CBO campaign, but I'm adding in 6 more profitable interests that I recently tested and I discovered. And then Offspring 3 will be stronger than Offspring 2. And each time you create these new CBO campaigns, you're just getting the best of the best of the best. And you end up with just really highly profitable ad sets that you could scale the budget of the CBO campaign to like $5,000 a day. But you want to start at 500. But yeah. So I duplicate it. Now I look into it. Now if you go into, this is the campaign, I got roughly 13 ad sets. Edit, turn on CBO. I'm going to set the budget at $500 and I'm going to publish it. And now that I published the CBO campaign, Offspring 2, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my testing campaign and refill it with more testing interests. So for example, if you go to also want to edit the placement. Currently it's only Instagram newsfeed, but I know Facebook newsfeed works pretty decent. So I'm going to put in Facebook newsfeed as well. So I'll publish that. So now let's go ahead and create more testing interests. So we go ahead and create Offspring 3 within 1 or 2 days. But now I'm here. So Michael Jordan did pretty well. Tech Insider did okay. But interests aren't sort of doing too well. So I'm going to create more lookalike audiences. And then when it comes to lookalike audiences, you definitely want to watch my lookalike audience video. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and create more lookalike audience, but that's going to be saved for a different video. So basically what you do is you create a main CBO campaign where you get all your best interests and you put it into a CBO campaign. And then to upgrade that CBO campaign, you want to let that CBO campaign run. Roughly 70% of it will be profitable, 30% will be unprofitable. Take the 70%, put it into a new CBO campaign, replace the 30% with new profitable ad sets from your testing campaign. And then now out of all these, maybe 80% will be profitable. So you bring 80% into Offspring 3. And then you replace 20% with newly tested ad sets. And you just keep leveling up. Eventually you get to a point where your CBO campaign is just highly profitable at like $500 budget, where you just go ahead and duplicate that into like $1,000 budget CBO campaign. And that's how you scale CBO campaigns. Question of the day, are you currently using CBO campaigns? And are you excited for the new Facebook change where they're removing ad set budgets? Hope you guys found value in this video. I literally took you guys into my ad account, showed you guys everything, showed you guys all my numbers. Hope you guys appreciate the transparency. Not many people are doing this. This is live. That is roughly on the 19th of September 2019. I'm showing you guys current strategies that are currently working, that I'm currently using. So I hope you guys find value in this. If you guys do, drop a comment below, like the video, hit the notification bell. That really helps. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.